There's something big happening in the charts for altcoins. The Bitcoin dominance right now is lowering, which means altcoins like Ethereum, like Dogecoin, our favorite altcoins, can pump here very soon. In this video, we are going to be discussing this and much more, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell before we get started, because every day I make videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies that you cannot miss. If you want to get access to my profitable trade signals for cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or in my video's description, where you can talk to me anytime. We can talk on the phone. We can build you a portfolio. We have much services that you should definitely check out. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner tomorrow. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. We're going to get started right now, but before we do, if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, make sure you smash up the like button and let me know in the comments. Do you think Yoshi here is cute? What do you all think about Yoshi? Yoshi is going to be a new addition to the channel. We are going to feature him. I'm thinking about putting him in every video, so he definitely wants to hang out. He's been recently hired to Myles G Investments. All right, so we have some very important information, and we definitely have to check out what's going on with these altcoins, because I believe they're about to explode. They're setting up very good. But let's take a look at these really important articles before doing so. So Bitcoin over-the-counter desk buzz as analyst warns big players want your Bitcoin. So a lot of people are asking, okay, with Myles, with all of this bullish information, all of this stuff that we're hearing about cryptocurrencies, why aren't they going up? All of these whales are buying. It's because of the over-counter, the markets. So what it basically means is private transactions that are not taking place on exchanges. So these whales are buying billions of dollars of Bitcoin every single day, especially the last couple of days. They're buying all this crypto, and it's not really affecting the price because they're doing it behind the scenes. But eventually, the over-the-counter markets are going to get dried up. And when that happens, there's going to be this crazy supply shortage taking place here very soon with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, and that's going to bring cryptos up like crazy. What this data actually goes into in this article, it says Bitcoin is being aggressively bought up by institutional entities this week as data shows over-the-counter trading volume spiking. So what we are seeing is this huge spike in the buying of cryptocurrencies by institutions. They're buying at $40,000. What does that tell you? It is so clear. If big whales are buying at $40,000, they know something big is about to take place. And the whales, when they know something big is about to take place, they try to get in as fast as possible. So they are having FOMO right now, which is about to bring up the prices of cryptocurrencies like crazy. And today was that Bitcoin options expiration, which I was telling you guys about yesterday, which might cause a potential short squeeze. It ended up not squeezing right this morning. Right now, it's definitely not happening. Cryptos are starting to go up after this. So cryptos did drop a little bit, partially and mostly due to this options and the futures contracts expiring today, which does cause volatility. I told you guys there would be volatility, but I still think today is going to actually end up closing in the green. So usually in the mornings of Fridays, when there's big options expirations take place, a lot of times what happens is the price ends up dropping in the morning, in the afternoon, and towards the nighttime, we start to see a pump. And maybe on Saturday, we're going to see a pump too. So I'm thinking cryptocurrencies are going to continue to be green throughout maybe the rest of the day. Maybe this weekend, we're going to have a huge green weekend. So that's definitely something to look forward to. And the reason why I think that's taking place because of this data that I just showed you. These institutions, these whales are buying cryptos like crazy. Not only whales, small guys like me and you, we are buying cryptos like crazy. We are buying these dips. So we definitely want to be aware and ready that this is potentially about to happen. And when this happens, when we see a big pump, Bitcoin can go to 44 to 45K very quickly. Ethereum can hit 26, 2,700 very quickly. That could bring Dogecoin up to 23, 24, 25, 26 cents very quickly, especially all of the other altcoins. But what is really interesting that is happening is this is called the Bitcoin dominance, and it shows you the percentage of Bitcoin of money coming into Bitcoin versus the altcoins. So the Bitcoin dominance is 48%. It was getting really high, but it's starting to drop. It almost hit 50%. The market share of cryptos almost was 50% Bitcoin. Now it's starting to see a significant drop. But the interesting thing is when you see the drop in the Bitcoin dominance, if we take a look at Ethereum, we saw last night Ethereum pumped up to that same exact level that we called out way beforehand. I said, look, if we break out right here, we're most likely going to come to this test, this level every resistance, and either we're going to break out of it way up, or we're going to probably get rejected and come down to this level of support which we are at right now. So Ethereum is actually holding up really well, and we're getting a bounce on this strong level of support about 2350. Definitely very good to see. But the interesting was, look, Ethereum and these altcoins were actually moving up very strongly. Dogecoin wasn't really doing much. Yesterday, we did get a little bit of a spike yesterday. It brought us up to a little bit above 21 cents, but Dogecoin is still trading sideways. If we take a look at Cardano, it's doing the same thing, but some of the other altcoins are really starting to pump. But Ethereum is having that huge update next week on the 4th, August 4th. And there's going to be FOMO. There's definitely going to be volatility in the price of Ethereum. And I think the volatility is going to go to the upside because it's extremely good news. It's going to make Ethereum one of the most wanted cryptocurrencies in the entire world based on the updates that's coming out. I've been telling you guys about this update for months, telling you about this update, which is going to make basically Ethereum has a unlimited supply. This update is going to potentially make it to a limited supply among a bunch of other things. So it's really good to see this happening, but it's going to have a huge effect on Dogecoin. Dogecoin is certainly helped by the altcoins like Ethereum pumping. But if Ethereum starts pumping and Bitcoin starts to kind of go down and trade sideways, and then the altcoins start to pump, we're going to see a decoupling in the market. So we're potentially seeing a decoupling with Ethereum right now, which is definitely a very, very positive thing to see. It'll be very good for Ethereum to break off from being coupled from Bitcoin, which means that the altcoins can rally together without Bitcoin having to do anything. So there's been times in this crypto market, especially a couple months prior, when Bitcoin dominance was lower and the altcoins were able to pump. We were in an altcoin season, and we'd see Bitcoin only like up 3%, only at 4%. Bitcoin was boring, but the altcoins, they were pumping 15%, 20%. So we might be slowly starting to enter back into that phase again where the altcoins can pump and maybe become decoupled from the Bitcoin market. But we still might have this short squeeze like I've been telling you all because of the institutions buying like crazy. That news article that just came out says the institutions are buying like crazy. The volume of the over-the-counter markets is spiking like crazy. We are seeing highs like we've never seen before. So generally what happens, this is not much long after all of this behind-the-scenes stuff is happening, a huge spike in the price of cryptocurrencies, a huge bull run could potentially get started any second now. So Ethereum is starting to move up. Dogecoin is starting to move up right now. So it's very good to see. So we might have a green weekend, we might not. But if we take a look at Bitcoin, look at this. If we go into the daily time frame, look at how many green days we've had in a row, which is definitely very good to see. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green days in a row. We could have a red day today. This today could end up closing and being red. But if we get another green day, that's definitely something we have not seen in a long time. I don't think Bitcoin has seen this many consecutive green days since last year, around December, I believe. If you zoom out of the charts, you're not going to see that many green days for Bitcoin in a row. No, it's actually February. February was the last time we had a lot of green days like that. Then prior to that was December. So this many green days in a row is extremely bullish. We haven't seen it in a long time, so that definitely lets us know things are changing in the crypto market, and they're changing for the good to the bullish. So Dogecoin is continuing to trade sideways. I'm not really expecting much of Dogecoin today. But if cryptocurrencies do pump and cryptos start to go up like Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can definitely see 21 cents, 22 cents, 23 cents maybe this weekend. So I will be looking forward to potentially having a green weekend again like we had last weekend. If you guys want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100, that will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell or buy cryptocurrencies with any time. And if you got something out of the video, go ahead and smash up the like button, blow up the comment section, and I will see you all tonight, most likely. Have a good one.